Bill is hello, and Muna is in the back here. All right, and as you can see there's a wall behind me. Guys. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Just like usual, I am blogging from right in front of my house here. We are going for a trip, and there's a park called Letchworth Park, so we're gonna drive in this car here. The reason for going there is we have a family member visiting from Australia. They are my sister-in-law and her husband. At this moment, I'm waiting for them to come down and go as soon as possible. We are ready to leave now, and Uncle Bill is here.
Hi.
Hello. And Muna is in the back here.
Hello.
All right, we're gonna take off. Okay. We have just gotten off the highway and taken a small road here way to Letchworth Park, and we're gonna go to a small village here. We're at the Mount Morris area, stopping at the gas station convenience store for picking up some snack because everybody got kind of hungry. We are here at the convenience store here and trying to find some snacks here, and trying to find the right kind of snacks, trying to find some candies here. So let's see. To move on, we got the candy here, and Bill got the candy.
Sneakers on the road.
Right here. We are here at the outlook area here, and Bill is looking at the map where we are. This is the map of this state park here, Letchworth State Park. So we are gonna go that way and gonna go overlook. Okay.
These two lovely ladies.
Yeah. What do you think about this? And we have an overlook over there. There are the ladies. Hello, ladies. This is a dam over here. We're gonna get back in the car. Okay, now Bill is in the driver's seat.
I'll show you how to do it Aussie style.
Yeah, he'll do it Aussie style. Probably he's gonna drive on the left hand side. We are in the Letchworth Park here and now. We are going towards the fall. We're gonna go all the way up. We are here stopping by the overlook here, and we have parked the car over there, and they're letting us go. Let's go. Thank you. So we're gonna go over there and look down. It's a nice place. There's a picnic area here. People are they're setting up the tables and picnicking. And Bill is walking relaxed
That looks
Enjoying,
beautiful.
yeah, enjoying the view.
That's
Look at this spectacular view and river down there flowing. So we are walking back to our car. So we are taking some pictures, and it took pictures for others too.
One more. Okay, Parker's not getting out the nuts. One. Thank you.
Okay, finally we're here at the Letchworth Park, and Muna seems to be happy here.
Yes, I'm very happy. Beautiful place.
You're gonna go to lock? I'll lock the car.
I'm looking over.
So we're gonna go towards the fall here. There's a Letchworth Park. It's a very beautiful fall, and way up there's a bridge going there. That's the railroad bridge. Did you see the bridge there, Bill?
And I heard you say what it was, so I don't have to ask.
Yeah. Okay. You have a very sharp ear. There you can see the fall there. We are getting very close to the fall here. And over there, those ladies are still going painting, live painting, landscape. This is the view of the Letchworth Park fall here, and you can go all the way up there. Just a walkway to up to the bridge there. You can go and hike, and you can still go further closer to the fall. Now we are walking towards up the hill, so we gotta go closer to the fall. From there you can get a really good view of the fall.
I'm not going to.
You have to make up to that stairs, up here, up the stairs. So this is another view of the fall from a different angle here. From here you get a really better view than from down there. So probably this is the best place to get the best view of this fall. Ask you to go all the way to the top to that bridge.
I'm not going.
You're not going. All right.
You know, like it happened on a wall. She bought on it in Niagara.
This is another view, and from different angle here, a little bit higher. So we are walking over this bridge, and look like after that bridge there's nothing, but I can see some people are walking towards us, so it's pretty much safe that there is something there, so we are not jumping off the bridge. The bridge is behind me now a little bit downhill here, and there is another overlook. Hey Bill, how are you doing so far?
Good, no bears.
Okay. So this is another lookout here if you're getting really closer to the fall. And Bill is checking out, see what is in down there, and checking the construction of this wall to see if they are safe. And over there, the ladies are sitting on the ledge of the bridge. Hey ladies! Hello! Say hi! If you see that tiny fall here, then another bigger fall, and when we go to Niagara Fall, it's gonna be a big fall. So we are done here in this side of the fall. Now we're gonna go down. So we are going down. There's another place. This river goes down and becomes another fall, and we can go there and walk around and see there too. All right. So we have started to walking down here, and we're gonna catch you up over there.
Hi, Mike.
Yes. We're here up at the bottom of the hike here, so this is where we started and going up the steps. And as you can see there's a fall behind me. Alright, we are boarded in the car, and our captain is on the seat now. Yeah, he's turning the turbo engine. And we're gonna go in a different spot, and we're gonna.
Interesting.
So captain has trouble starting.
It's a worry, isn't it?
Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go different spot, and we're gonna look at other fall here. Now we are here at the second destination here, so we're gonna go over there, and there is another fall here, interesting fall, beautiful fall, and we can walk around here and see the fall. And I can see there's a group of people there, pink, and the pink. I don't know what that is, but interesting. Look at here, the battery. All right, my battery is kind of running low, so this is towards the end of the video. So I'm gonna end this video showing these beautiful things here, and hopefully if I can go up to that side and get video, then that's where I'm gonna end the video. Bill is really enjoying the view here, and the ladies are walking over there. Okay, this is the end of my video. My battery is running out too. So thank you very much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Say bye-bye. Bye. And bye.